फिर तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर अक्सर 2।
थैंक यू।
आपकी जर्नी की बात करें तो फ्रॉम ग्लैड्रैट्स टू टीवी सीरियल्स एंड नाउ अक्सर 2, तो कैसी रही ये जर्नी? टीवी इंडस्ट्री, मॉडलिंग भी देख लिया, नाउ यू आर डूइंग अ फिल्म।
I think exciting and slow. A lot of people reach, start doing films within 2 years, 1 year, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. So time frame सबके लिए अलग है. लेकिन it's very important to enjoy the journey, and I've enjoyed each bit, each day.
अक्सर 2 कैसे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला? लाइक इट वाज अ बोल्ड एंड कॉन्सेप्ट काफ़ी बोल्ड था। अपना ही स्टारडम था उस मूवी का उस टाइम पे।
Correct.
इमरान हाशमी थे, डिनो मोरिया, देन उदिता गोस्वामी। तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी कैसे?
I don't actually remember. मुझे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर का फ़ोन आया था, कुणाल. ही सेड कि एक फ़िल्म बना रहे हैं एंड द डायरेक्टर वांट्स टू मीट यू. तो उस दौरान आई वाज ट्रैकिंग अप इन हिमालयस एंड so I told him कि यार I'm तो trekking, so I'll come back after 10 days and then we'll talk. So I thought कि एक होता है ना इनिशियल स्क्रीनिंग, डायरेक्टर मीट्स लाइक 10-15 डिफरेंट एक्टर्स एंड सीज कि कौन उस रोल के लिए ठीक है. सो आई थॉट ठीक है यार, इट्स अ नॉर्मल रेगुलर कॉल, ऐसी कॉल्स दिन में बहुत आती हैं. सो आई वेंट, फिनिश माई ट्रैक एंड आई केम बैक एंड when I came back they had already sent me so many messages. So I called them up. I said I'm back. They're like yeah, we want to meet you. So that was the time when I thought ki yaar, yes, these guys really are keen on me. So I went and met Anand ji and he explained me, he gave me a brief narrative of the film and told me about my character. So I was like, definitely I would love to do it. So it was like within a minute the decision was made.
So अक्सर 2 is as bold as अक्सर?
See, story wise अक्सर 1 और 2 में कोई similarity नहीं है. Yes, जो characters हैं, they are placed maybe like that. There is Zareen in the main lead, it's me in the main lead, and then there's Gautam. So but content wise, in terms of story, there's no similarity. So yes, it's a romantic thriller, but I won't term it bold.
So how was your comfort level working with Zareen?
I think Zareen is so cool. She's very cool. She's professional and और जब काम नहीं कर रहे होते तो she's total मस्तीखोर, and we did a lot of मस्ती. We were just laughing non-stop. So very good to work with. Very what do you call? Like she doesn't intimidate you. So
apart from Zareen, are you sharing any space with Gautam?
yes, there is. We all are part of the story. It's so the story is driven by me, and everybody gets dragged in the film. So yes, I'm sharing screen space with Gautam as well.
And
Yes.
how is Gautam Rohde?
He's good. He's apparently, he had a lot of fans in Mauritius. We shot few sequences. मेरा एक scene था गौतम के साथ जो हमने Mauritius में shoot किया है. So there were a lot of girls who were just going crazy for him. So yeah, he's a good-looking guy.
So even Gautam Rohde and you both belong to television industry also. Like don't you think अभी एक trend हो गया है television actors moving to Bollywood, or it's just an opportunity?
I think it's the gap which has bridged between television and films. पहले जो फिल्म्स करते थे वो टेलीविज़न नहीं करते थे, जो टेलीविज़न करते थे उनको फिल्म्स नहीं मिलती थी. लेकिन अभी बिकॉज न्यू जनरेशन ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स, दे वांट टू वर्क विद यंग टैलेंट एंड दे वांट टू कास्ट पीपल हु आर फिट इन द कैरेक्टर. So I think the rules have changed. So that's why a lot of television actors are getting pulled in the films and they are doing good.
And work pressure की बात करें तो is it for television or films?
Oh, इंडियन टेलीविज़न का वर्क प्रेशर, 2 साल अगर आपने इंडियन टेलीविज़न कर लिया, मैं बोलता हूँ आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. बिकॉज 14 घंटे काम करना, 4 घंटे गाड़ी चलाकर शूट पर पहुँचना और 14 सीन दिन में करना, और स्क्रिप्ट लास्ट मिनट आ रही है. It's like it prepares you for rest of your life as an actor. So I always say that television teaches you how to work under stress.
And talking about reality shows, तो उसका experience कैसा रहा?
I loved that show which I did. मैंने एक रियलिटी शो ही किया अभी तक, सर्वाइवर इंडिया. आई थिंक आज तक का मेरा वो फेवरेट शो है. सो कोई भी मुझे पूछता है आपका फेवरेट शो कौन सा रहा है, इट्स सर्वाइवर. उसमें मैंने 2 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाए हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो शो इतना पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ. Otherwise, it's a internationally successful format.
दो यू आर डूइंग अ मूवी नाउ, तो अगर कोई टेलीविजन का प्रोजेक्ट लाइक ऑफर होता है एज अ लीड और समथिंग एल्स, तो विल यू बी डूइंग
Definitely, why not? I
एंड
started from television, and जब मैंने रोर भी की थी, मेरा डेब्यू जो था, तब भी मैंने यही कहा था कि आई डोंट सी एनी डिफरेंस नाउ डेज बिटवीन टेलीविजन एंड फिल्म. Good television show is comparable to a film.
एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद योर डायरेक्टर?
Anand ji, I think he's a very mature guy. He himself has been an actor, and he has done some serious cinema. He's made few films as he's made 13 films as director. I think it's his 14th film, Aksar 2. So a lot of experience and lot of specific inputs, जो कि एक्टर के लिए it makes a scene better. For example, I was just moving my hands a bit too much, so he explained me कि your character shouldn't be moving it too much. So there were a lot of choti nuances and inputs which he has given, and which has made the the final outcome look very good. And he's cool. अगर आप उनसे थोड़ा debate करें कि this is not how I want to do the scene, maybe this is how we should do it. So he listens. So he's very receptive. So liked working with him.
एज वी नो आपके 2 गाने हैं ज़रीन के साथ, तो वो शूटिंग के दौरान कुछ फ़नी मोमेंट्स या कुछ ऐसा विच यू लाइक टू शेयर?
Yes, we were shooting in Mauritius, और हम पूरा डे लाइट में शूट करते थे, धूप एकदम कड़कती धूप में, क्योंकि इस वक्त मॉरिशस में समर्स चल रही हैं. और मैंने पहले 1-2 सॉन्ग शूट किए हैं फॉर टेलीविज़न, बट फिल्म में ये मेरा पहला सॉन्ग था जिसमें मुझे लिप सिंक भी करना था, और सिर्फ लिप सिंक ही नहीं करना था, दे वर शूटिंग इन हायर फ्रेम रेट. सो आपका जो सिंक है उसकी जो यू हैव टू do it at twice the speed of the normal wo. So for me, there were a lot of inputs coming in. Body posture ठीक रखना है. Shavina was choreographing, so she's like body ऐसे होनी चाहिए. Then there were few lifting things, and Zareen is she's like healthy and stout. So so they were just joking around ki, can you do it? I said yeah, why not? Like song at some part of when we were shooting the song, I was a little nervous, but then second day I was totally fine.
How was Rubina's reaction when she got to know that you're doing Aksar 2?
She was like jumping. She's like, wow, that's after a long wait finally. So I said yeah, and I told her thoda bahut about the film, and I gave her a basic narrative from my point of view. So she was like, good, this is a good character to do.
So will we get any chance to see you both on screen? Like you both were sharing space in Choti Bahu, but
Yes.
that time you were not opposite each other.
Yeah.
So in future, any chance?
See, it's destiny plays the strangest tricks. We worked together in Choti Bahu, but we never interacted. So there was no we were never in touch after that. And
Okay. This is your second Bollywood movie. तो जो भी न्यू कमर्स होते हैं, कोई ना कोई आइडल डायरेक्टर होता ही है कि इनके साथ तो काम करना ही है इन फ्यूचर. सो एनी डायरेक्टर यू वुड लाइक टू वर्क इन फ्यूचर?
well, there are so many directors, and they are so different in their nature in terms of how they work and how they direct. So I don't think I have like a favorite, but yes, Dibakar and Anurag Kashyap, these are the guys I really want to work with, either as a director or as Anurag sir to he himself acts at times. So I'm very curious to know always what is an approach of a director. So I want to work with different directors to see why somebody makes some certain kind of films better than the other. So अभी तक कोई ऐसा फेवरेट नहीं है कि हाँ इन्हीं के साथ ही काम करना है. But yes, I want to work with like few of them. 4-5 of them are like my favorite, so उनके साथ काम करना चाहूँगा.
Any dream role or any character which you want to remake and you want yourself to act in it, जो हमारे पुराने actors ने की फिल्म बनाई, any specific role?
There is actually a very important story which unfortunately the youth of India doesn't know. It's about a guy called Arun Khetarpal. who was a young officer of the Pune Horse. He, during the battle with Pakistan, he got injured and he refused to leave his tank. He was a tank commander, so he refused to leave his tank. और उसकी जो कहानी है, he was a young chap from NDA pass out. उसकी जो कहानी है is very heroic because he was asked by his senior to leave and to retreat, but he said कि I would stay here and I'll make sure that till the time my last breath is there, I will fight the enemy. So somewhere it just got forgotten and there's not much talk about it, but I think that's real hero. That's a hero we could see and it's a real story because it's documented. So I want to play him in a film if somebody is making a film, and if somebody is not making a film, maybe some years down the line I will make a film, and if I'm too old I won't play him. But his story has to be told to the world. उसके बाद उनके जो फादर हैं अरुण खेतरपाल के, he actually went to Pakistan and met the guy who had shot him, who had actually killed Arun Khetarpal. So it's a real story, it's a true story, and it's very dramatic, and it's very emotional. And I think एक फौज के ऊपर कहानी बनाना, एक फिल्म बनाना is a difficult job, and somebody should take it up and make a film on him.
Okay. Apart from Aksar 2, what all projects you are working on? Like future projects you would like to discuss?
Well, there is one film, उसके बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकता हूँ कुछ क्योंकि अभी it's in a very initial phase. But yes, if things finalize by March, I should be shooting, and तब definitely I'll talk about it. And there are a couple of TV projects, but अभी let's see how things roll out.
Okay. Lastly, just for your fans, let them know you are doing Aksar 2 and क्यों उन्हें देखना चाहिए Aksar 2.
So, well, hello everybody. This is Abhinav Shukla, and I am a part of Aksar 2. So you should go see Aksar 2 because you have Zareen Khan in it, you have Abhinav Shukla, and you have Gautam Rode, and you got some amazing visuals. We have shot some magic. So please go and watch the film. How come it became a news? But even if it's become, it's okay.
तो अभी सोच समझ के अभी ट्वीट
Friends. If somebody wants to pick it up and make a news, more than welcome.
Okay. इसको गोदी में ले लो ना विजुअली कैमरा देख के डर जाती है क्या कर रही है
No, he's not.
फीमेल
He loves strangers, huh?
फीमेल मेल
No, it's a male.
हाँ वही तो
नहीं मेरे पास फीमेल ही है ना सारी, तो मैं सबको फीमेल ही समझ लेती हूँ।
नहीं ये नहीं
Yeah, but he's shy like a...
Doctor love forcing.
Yeah.
I have to ask everyone. But is the restroom over here?
Yes, it's here, right side way, second door.
Is this one?
Yes, that's